sounded real horrible. Oh my god, my voice.
I'm gonna see if I can get my voice back to normal.
I just went to the store like this. How do we call this look? Hard sunglasses, eat pussy shirt. Oh my god, that was horrible. Sweatpants, little fur babies that are like, Mommy, you're back home. We love you. And then most gorgeous of all, my new shoes.
Look at that. Can you see that sparkle? I don't know if you can with this camera, but holy shit, man.
That's what's going on. So I'm gonna continue putting some shit on my makeup. I am not making sense right now. I felt like I had the best, greatest sleep ever, but maybe I haven't, because I feel like nothing makes sense. A few hours earlier. You know what? Scratch that.
A half day earlier.
Babe, can you rub my back with this? I did my makeup. I look more alive right now, so that's good. I am gonna be testing out some BB cream that I got yesterday when I was shopping. It's from the Body Shop. It's honey bronze, and you're not supposed to put it on your face, but I did, because otherwise I will be full tan and my face would not be full tan. I just literally jumped into this. Thank you for watching, clicking on my video. Hi. Rude. So I slept with the stuff, and you actually could see that I gave up a little. I expected it to be more, so that's good. Here is my OOTD, some pants that are ripped. I have no clue where they're from. They're pretty old. And a Victoria's Secret top that's nice and flowy. I am about to put on some deodorant just to see how this fake tan BB cream stuff holds up to it. As you can see, my armpits look disgusting, because I also covered that because I'm really curious how that works on there. So, oh god, what have I done?
What have I done? I don't know.
Well, it looks better than it did before, so let's go to the grocery store.
We are just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation. Everyone's got so much to say.
Señorita! Oh my goodness. Okay, heavy stuff, man. And let's update on skin. Like, I don't feel like anything has come off. Alright, let's do laundry! I'm tired. Let's do even more laundry! Adult life, man. Time for food. Woo. Oh god, I don't know how I did this, but this happened. Yeah. It is the next day. Actually, it's the end of the next day. I had a full work day. I still have the crap on me. What's not crap? It's pretty awesome. But it's still on me, as you can or cannot tell. I'm about to hop in the shower and see what is gonna happen. Because I found out it is not sweat proof. I'm excited to find out if I can actually get it out of my clothing. Who knows? I don't yet.
Let's get white.
So, one flood later, overflowing, over whatever, we are back to being pale. Okay, so now, after 2 days of sleeping with a beauty BB cream stuff in the bed, you can really see where I've been sleeping, like it's brown. I am currently editing and I realized I never ended this vlog, so I really love the BB cream. It's so practical and easy to divide over your body. Like if you rub real good, you don't get weird patches or whatever. So I'm really obsessed with it. The only thing is it just can't seem to handle sweat, and I am quite a sweaty person, and if you think that's gross, you're right, it is, but I can't help it. I hope it was useful, and if you're thinking about using the Honey Bronze BB cream from the Body Shop, I highly recommend. It's really easy to use, and it's wonderful. I love it. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or down to let me know you actually watched up until this point. I love you, and I really hope to see you next time. Bye.